The next thing we're going to do is to draw our flower stem and pistil. The pistil is the center part of the flower, in case you forgot from science class. So, to do that, we need to come over to our toolbar on the far left-hand side. I'm going to grab this brush right here. Notice that the inspector changes so that I have options. I'm fine just leaving it as this green color. You can change yours if you want to. So, you have some options as far as the stroke and the size. I'm just going to leave mine at the default. And I'm going to come over here and draw a slightly curved stem. Just like that, okay? And the next thing I'm going to do is the pistil. So, over here on the toolbar, you'll see some shapes. I can click here and do the circle shape. As far as the fill goes, I'm going to use a brown color like this right here. Again, you can change the colors. You can play with it if you want to. Notice I can do an oval shape. Also, if I hold my shift key down, it will actually constrain the proportions to be a circle. I want this to be a circle, so I'm holding my shift key down while I click and drag with my mouse to make the pistil of the flower. Alright, so I've got my stem, I've got my pistil, and I've drawn the basic parts of my flower. We're going to do the petals next. There's one thing I want to call your attention to, and we'll talk more about this later. Notice at the top, you have design mode and you have an animation mode. Now, design mode is blue and animation mode is yellow. We're going to draw most of our stuff in design mode, and again, we'll talk about why that is once we start animating. But make sure that you are in design mode when you draw the stem and the pistil of our flower. Up next, we're going to add a petal and then we're going to animate it.